All right, guys, what's up? As some of y'all already know, I bought an air fryer. I want to get into chicken tenders. You know, something easy to make at the house. Put it in there. You know, 10 minutes later it's done. You know, that's what I wanted. And so I ended up getting this. A lot of people were saying it's good. So I've never tried it before. I'm excited. And I'm gonna make a review, I guess, not of this, but just of everything, right? What I'm gonna do today. What I bought were these Tyson chicken tenders. This is what I ended up getting. I tried in the oven already last night, and they're okay. You know, nothing to brag about, they're okay. So I'm gonna try this air fryer and see if I can taste the difference. So I'm gonna unbox it, put it all together, and then I get back with y'all. Okay, looks pretty fancy. So I'll open this up. Where the instructions come in. Got some buffalo wings. So definitely gonna try that later.
I need to learn how to open it, so I need to learn. Oh, don't have a... How do you open it?
That's how you open it, all right. So, wash this out.
This is looking good, dude. Is this like 4K?
Fuck, yeah. All right, I'm still recording. I'm gonna record everything.
Okay.
All right, guys. I plugged it in. Well, it's already plugged in. Took it out, washed it, cleaned it. And as soon as you put it in, turns on. So we gotta preheat it. It says for about 3 minutes. Let's go with, I think 400. Oh, that's minutes. There it is. Nope. Okay. So this is the temperature, this is the timer. We're gonna go 400, let it do its thing. And minutes, let's do 20. And we'll see how that goes. So it's been preheated for about 20 minutes now. The book said preheat it for like 5 minutes. Let that, to wash it, let all that, I guess, new stuff burn off. So I let it sit for 20 minutes. But now it's time to get the chicken tenders and put them in there, see how it works. While I was waiting, I was at the recipe book and they have chicken tenders in here. And it tells you what you need, all the ingredients. I don't know if you guys see that. The ingredients, directions, all of that. So I was looking around. You see they got a bunch of stuff. I thought that was pretty cool. All right, so let's get the chicken tenders and put them in there already. All right, so nice and frozen. Let's get this out. Ooh, should be hot, right? First time working with the air fryer. If I don't know what I'm doing, don't mind it, all right? Don't pay attention. So we're gonna take this out. It's nice and warm, or nice and hot. Let's get some of these in there. Got some Tysons. Well, I'm gonna try different brands, see which one I like the best. But there it is. Let's get that in there. I think my roommate's gonna eat too. I'm not sure. I'm asking him right now. He's walking in. I'm asking him. Hey, Colton, what's going on? You gonna go eat or what?
No, I guess not.
You want some of this chicken?
Let's do it.
All right. Okay, we'll put a lot of them in there. All right, so I'm gonna check this shit out. I don't know if I should stack them or separate them.
I don't think it really matters.
All right, well, let's
Let's see how much you can put in there.
I think it's,
It's
yeah.
just like a fryer, you know, you just stack it in there like it would be.
All right. Try to get some good ones in there. Okay, that's good. All right, guys, so that's how it looks. I'm not gonna stack it on top of each other, but spread them out pretty even. And we're gonna put them back in the sheet. It's off. That's the way, like, when you plug it in, that's the way it is. Turns on when it goes in there. This is temperature. I kind of played with it while the camera was off. 400 timer to set this thing to, shit, what did it say? Okay. Directions, 14 minutes. All right, so it should be done. But it also said halfway to flip the chicken over, and then should be good for that. Okay, I'm not gonna wait. So, oh, there it is right there. So let's flip them and see how, okay. They're sizzling, so you know they're hot. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't touch that, it's hot. Okay. All right, get in there. Can I hear that sizzling? Okay. Now we put it back in for the rest of the 7. Does it continue where it left off? It does. Okay. So I'll be back in 7 minutes. We're gonna try it and see how it tastes. Be back. All right, any minute now. Should be done. I think when I take it out, let it cool down for a little bit, a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna try it, see if it tastes any different from last night, from the oven. I'm worried about that part because I don't know if it's gonna be a big difference or a small difference. I'm not sure. Okay, it's off. All right, I don't know if I should take it out or just let it sit aside. Okay, I'm gonna take it out just to. So they're sizzling. I'm a little worried, you know. I don't know if it should come out like that or not. But I'm gonna let that sit for a couple minutes. I'm gonna come back with some ketchup and try to fuck all this up. I'll be back. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So just cool it down already for about a couple minutes. We're gonna try it out. Got the ketchup on deck. It's ready to go. And if y'all can see that, I ain't got good light in here. But I'm gonna give these a shot.
Oh,
How is it?
good.
And
Crispy.
don't light it either.
That's good.
All right.
I can't even freaking tell the difference. Mine's just the way, you know, how you would taste the grease or something. Crunchy.
Okay. Alright. Alright, off the bat, I do taste a difference from the oven and this. It is a difference. I was gonna worry it was gonna be the same. It's not the same. It's actually really good.
In a bad way, not the same, or in a bad way, like not the same, or you like it?
I like it.
That's good. First time I've tried any air fried food.
Yeah, this is my first time trying it as well. I got it because there's no Girl Hill cooking like every day. So I want to get something easy to make, throw it in there, it's ready, you know. I don't mind cooking. I just want to do it every day. So, but this,
Legit.
I can do this.
Hell yeah. It's easy, you just toss it in there and
Now I need to figure out what else I could throw us in here. Watch videos, and shit, I might make a YouTube channel just on this bad boy, making all kinds of shit, all kinds of stuff, food. But I like it. Different from the oven, and everybody who commented on my post earlier, thank you. You know, y'all were right. And that's it. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was 140 bucks. It's a 7-quart. I think it's the biggest one they make. I didn't even know. I just saw it. I recognized it. I just took it. And that's pretty much everything. There's a lot more chicken tenders in there. And we're gonna finish this up. Call it a day.
good.
Later, guys.